Welcome to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out with Julie Coraccio. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., Julie interviews experts on all areas of clutter: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Learn easy-to-implement tips on how to release clutter and get organized to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. An award-winning professional organizer and coach, Julie also shares suggestions to help you live clutter-free for a more joyful and fulfilling life. Looking to change your life? Are you ready to release all your clutter, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual? Our Declutter Your Life is a year-long how-to go at your own pace workbook course to guide you through the process of clearing clutter. Also available by 3-month individual topic. Learn more at reawakenyourbrilliance.com.
Hey everyone, for the month of July, I'm going to focus on quick 10-minute tips for releasing clutter and easy ways to get you started. Clutter and getting organized are the last thing that most people are thinking about. Even if it is a busy month with vacation or other things, you can still find time to declutter. I will have one each for physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Little things can make a big difference, so don't dismiss what 10 minutes can do. All right, let's get started. This week's 10-minute tip is going to be on the physical. Many people confuse wants and needs. I would argue most are wants. Advertising, keeping up with the Joneses, and shiny object syndrome all contribute to muddying the waters. Start exercising your muscle to discover what you really need. There's a quote I've heard that we do not use 80% of what we own. Think about that, 80% of what we own. That means you're really only using 20% of what you own. Practice asking yourself if something is a want or a need. Start small. This can be really challenging in the beginning. Take something that will take you only about 10 minutes to go through and that you can complete. A bookcase, maybe your purse, a dresser drawer, or a section of files in your filing cabinet. As you're going through each section, ask this question for each single item. If you've gone through and not released any clutter, go through and ask yourself this question again. Is this a want or a need? As I say with most things, can you dig deeper? What could your want be about? Wanting to project a certain image? A substitute for something? You might have heard me talk about my clutter kryptonite. For me, that is beauty samples. When I'm really wanting them, the beauty samples, it's because I'm not feeling great about myself and thinking that some miracle product will make me more attractive. Now, I know that isn't true, but it would be nice, wouldn't it? So what may you be making a substitute for? Take the time to dig a little deeper and see if you can figure it out. The more you do that, the easier it becomes. So this week, in your 10-minute clearing the clutter, see if you can tackle one 10-minute project each day and start exercising that need and want muscle. Do you really need it? Again, the more you do this, the easier it becomes. If you can, every day take 10 minutes to go through a drawer, a bookshelf, anything, but do 10 minutes daily and clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.
Looking to change your life? Are you ready to release all your clutter, physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual? Our Declutter Your Life is a year-long how-to go at your own pace workbook course to guide you through the process of clearing clutter. Also available by 3-month individual topic. Learn more at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. Thanks for tuning in to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out. Sign up for our newsletter and receive a free copy of 10 clutter-free living tips. Ready to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire? Learn about Julie's coaching, ebooks, online monthly decluttering classes, how to organize your life, office hours, and her unique clutter-free living mastermind at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. You can also watch all episodes on YouTube or download on iTunes and more. Join us next Tuesday at 1 p.m. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.